Olha a explosão, quando ela bate com a bunda no chão, quando ela mexe com a bunda no chão, quando ela joga com a bunda no chão, quando ela sarra e o bumbum no chão.
You choose to pedal, to get to point B, to challenge yourself, to discover unfamiliar playgrounds, to be part of a tribe, to be part of a greener future. Your trusty bike is an extension of your body, and I'm here to give it superpowers you never knew it had. I'm Smart Halo 2. I'm lighter, slicker, leaner, and packed with new features. I'm still secured with an anti-theft locking mechanism, meaning you can always leave me on your bike. Yep, that's my signature Halo and my new peak display. All the info you need at a glance. Need some help making it to your destination? Simply choose your favorite route type and we're good to go. Take a ride here. Feeling adventurous? Use compass mode and find your own path. You made it. Want to push your limits? Follow your performance? And easily switch between metrics. Hey, it's getting dark. I'm turning the light on. I also make sure you don't miss important calls. Uh-oh, watch out, thunderstorming coming. Better pick up the pace. Yeah, I'm also connected to your smart home to make your life easier. I'm always on guard. If anyone tries something funny, I'll bark loud. I mean really loud. That's right.
On bicycle speedometer installation. Step 1. Mount the speedometer pedestal. Put the anti-skid glue onto the pedestal's bottom and fix the pedestal to the bicycle handlebar with 2 strips. Wrap the sensor wire around the bicycle frame. Step 2. Insert the speedometer into the pedestal. Step 3. Install the sensor onto the front fork at a point opposite to the braking disc and adjust the position of the sensor to the best point. Step 4. Unscrew the magnet by hand and mount it onto the spoke. Caution! The magnet should be positioned just underneath the sensor. The distance between them should be kept within 5 mm. Note: for installing the battery, open the battery box and adjust the conductive metal for good contact. Testing. Turn on the switch and move the magnet around the injection point of the sensor until the speedometer shows that the reading is normal. Keep away from radio.
Sherlock is small and compact to be easily installed in the handlebars of your bicycle. It is flexible to adapt even to drop bars. Remove the cap from one end of the handlebar and gently push Sherlock into it. Adjust the Sherlock position and secure it with bar tape if necessary. Install the twin cap on the other handlebar end to complete the camouflage effect. Sherlock is now completely invisible from the outside. Activate Sherlock via Bluetooth with the mobile app whenever you park your bike. It will send you an alert if your bike moves.
Flector 360. No air drag, no weight, no dynamic imbalance. Unlike standard reflectors, Flector 360 leaves your wheel's performance completely unaffected. Its aerodynamic efficiency is unmatched in comparison to any other reflector on the market. Flector 360's design features a unique 3D formable film which perfectly fits the shape of almost every rim on the market and gives your bike an extraordinary and stylish look. Due to its sealed surface, Flector is nearly indestructible and dirt repellent. Flector 360 is the first bike reflector with 360-degree visibility. From wherever a car headlight may hit you, Flector 360 will grab the driver's attention. Flector helps you master every dangerous situation in the dark, reflecting the light back to its source, making you visible with a stunning glow. All around. No compromise.